Hi friends, good morning everyone. Have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about some more important problems on percentage chapter 8 and which is very useful for Gurukul and Navodaya. First question, what percent of 54 is 18? What percent of 54 is 18? Means, see here, this 54 means how much? Total, that means 100%, isn't it? 100%. But 18 is how much percent asking? That is the question. Simple. Take the cross multiplication. That means 50 into x that equals to 100 into 18. Now send this 50 that side, that 50, sorry, 54. 54. So 100 into 18 by 54. See, 54 how we got means 18 3 is a 54. See here, 3 8 are 24. So 4 2 is carry and 3 1 are 3 plus 2 means 5. So 18 1 are 18, 18 3 are 54. That becomes 100 by 3. And 3 table 100 means, so 3 3s are 9. Once again 3 3s are 9. This is 10 and this becomes 9. So 9 minus 9 0, 10 minus 9 means 1. So put a dot, keep here 0. Once again 3 3s are 9. So this process is continue. So what is the answer means here 33.333 and so on. The final answer is 33.3 bar is the answer of the given question. So total is 54 and percentage of 18 out of 54 is 33.3 is the right answer. Now move to next question. See, what percent of 150 is 100? See here. So now take 150 is how much? 100%. This is percentage. 150 is how much? 100%. But 100 is we don't know, isn't it? Now take the cross multiplication. That means 150 into x that equals to 100 into 100, isn't it? Now send this 150 that side. X is equals to 100 into 100 by 150. So this 0 cancels. This is 5 2s are and 5 3s are, isn't it? 5 2s are, 5 3s are 15. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now what we left? 300 into 2. That means 100 into 2 by 3. So division of these becomes 33.333 into 2. Now this becomes 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. That means 66.666. That means 66.6 bar is the answer of this question. That means out of 150, 100 percentage is 66.6 bar is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question. So 45% means 40 plus 5 means 40% plus 5%. This 40% once again I am going to write 4 into 10% plus 5%. 4 times are 40, 40 plus 5 means 45, isn't it? Here also 20 plus 5, 20% and 5%. 20% can be written as 2 into 10% plus 5%, isn't it? Like this. See here, 4 4 into 10% of 126 126 means 12.6 plus 5% of 126 means 10% of 12.6 means this 12 becomes 6 and 6 becomes 3. This is the 5%. Next plus here, sorry, plus is not there, division is there, division symbol. 2 into 10%, 2 into 10% of 90 means 9.0. Next plus 5%, 5% means half of 9.0, that means 4.5, isn't it? When divide 9 with 2 we get the 4.5 is the answer. Now multiply. 4 6 are 24, 4, 2 is carry, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 2 means 10, 0, 1 is carry, 4 1s are 4, 5. So after a decimal point how many digits are there? 1. So 1 digit. 1 digit before you can put a decimal point. Next write this 6.3, isn't it? And write the division symbol. Now 2 multiply with 0, 0, 2 nines are 18. After a decimal point how many digits? Only 1 digit. So before a 1 digit you should put a decimal point and plus 4.5. Now add all these, that big. See, after a decimal point I am adding 4 plus 3, that means how much? 7. Put a decimal point. 6 plus 0, 6, and nothing is there. Write 5 as it is. Write the division symbol as it is, isn't it? After a decimal point I am adding, that means 5. Now before a decimal point 8 plus 4 means 12. Put a decimal point as it is, and 12 means write to 1 is carry, so this becomes 22.5, isn't it? See here, this can be written as 56.7 divide 22.7. Multiplying and dividing with 10, this becomes 567 to 25. Now 225 into 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 is carry, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 means 5, 2 2s are 4, so 450, isn't it? Now add 225 to this, means this is 225 3s are, so 5 and 7, 675. So 225 3s are is more than 567. So 225 2s are is less than 567. So you should take 225 and 576. 225 2s are 450, that becomes, here is 6, this becomes how much? 7 minus 5 means 2, 5 minus 4 means 1. So write in a mixed fraction, that means write in a mixed fraction form, that means write in a mixed fraction form means this is coefficient and this is remainder, isn't it? And this is divisor. So see here, remainder, coefficient by divisor, like this. So coefficient value is 2, isn't it? 2. Remainder value is 126 by divisor means 225. So this is the answer of this question, isn't it? Now move to next question. See, a man saves 40% of his total income. If the saves 400, what is his total income? So 40% of total income, he saves how much? 400. But 100%, so we don't know the whole income, isn't it? So cross multiplication of these two, that becomes, see here, 40 into x, that equals to 100 into 400. So this 0 cancels. Send this 4 from left to right side, then x equals to 100 into 40 by 4. On left side it is multiplication, it goes from right side, it becomes a division. 4 ones are and 4 tens are 40. Now x is equals to 100 into 10, then x is equals to 1000. So total income is how much? 1000 is the total income of the person. Now move to next question. See, a man saves 30% of his total income is 3000. The amount saved is, isn't it? How much amount saved is? So simple, 30% of 3000 is the question, isn't it? So that means 30% means 3 into 10%, isn't it? So that means 3 into 10% of 3000. So that becomes 3 into 10% of 3000 means 300.0, isn't it? Put a decimal point from right to left, and after a decimal only one digit. That means 10% can be written as 0.1. Already we know like that. After a decimal point there is a one digit, that is called 10%. So now multiply these two, we get the answer. So 3 into 300. After a decimal point 0 is there, they don't have a value, so that's why we are neglecting here. Now 3 3s are 9. How many zeros left? 2 zeros. Write as it is. So total income, saving percent is how much? 900 rupees are saved. So this is the 30% of 3000, isn't it? If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.